welcome everyone once again for the camera. So welcome, hi everyone. I think hi Rumana ma'am, कैसे हैं आप?
Hello, sir. I'm good. I hope everybody here is doing fantastic.
So guys, so this is budding artist stage two, where I think ma'am we should tell them about that. We should once for our audience let us know that what was budding artist stage one and two. So ma'am, would you like to introduce what was stage one, which they
Okay.
successfully cracked?
Well, we started with some submissions. We took letters from you guys that you wrote to your favorite characters. Remember or forgotten? It's been a month, I think, about that time. When we also shared some of our letters and you submitted your some really very creative letters. And that actually made us think that we should actually bring in something of this sort where you can come live and perform, which I'm sure you all want to. है ना, यू ऑलवेज कीप ऑन टेलिंग कि मैम हमें आपसे मिलना है, देखना है, परफॉर्म करना है, और यही जो टच है वो मिस हो जाता है कई बार. तो आज हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म को यूटिलाइज करते हैं एंड आई वुड लाइक टू रियली आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सी ऑल ऑफ सीइंग ऑल ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंसेस. ठीक है? ओके.
Okay, guys, so get ready. So, guys, what how we are going to be about is, I think we'll start alphabetically, or is there someone who is like really prepared? Sir, मुझे पहले करना है. कोई वैसा है क्या? नहीं, they want us to take the call, ma'am. They are not going to. Okay, so that's fine. So, just to be very fair and square, we are going to start alphabetically, and during the course of an individual's performance, we'll all mute ourselves so that the person who is performing, they would be visible on the screen. Even I think, ma'am, even we should also make ourselves invisible so that the person who is performing is on the screen and the remaining people would be muted, as well as the video should be turned off so that कि जो perform कर रहे हैं उनका दिख पाए हमें, right? So we'll start one by one, but बेटा बाकी लोग कहीं जाना मत. Learn from others, enjoy the process. So whoever is performing, try to enjoy it, right? So should we start, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay.
Ready? ठीक है सर.
So I
और
think if alphabetically, I have to go. Anushka is the first one.
या
Okay. So Anushka, what you will do is first you'll introduce about yourself, what you are going to perform, and then go about it. Although we have said that the time limitation is 3 to 5 minutes, we are okay with giving you a little bit of leisure. It's okay. You can go a bit about, but try to wrap it up in about 6 or 7 minutes. And that is the performance, not the introduction. Introduction is like just you, and then when you start your performance, try to close it within 6 to 7 minutes.
Sure,
So
sir.
I think we are going off, and Anushka, the stage is yours, beta.
This is me, Anushka Tiwari. I'm from Patna, Bihar. And today I chose the topic depression, as I can see that the society is rooting with this problem. I feel like every youth is suffering with a bit of loneliness, and when it comes to loneliness, they start feeling it more. They feel like they are all alone, happiness doesn't exist, and things as such. So I took this topic so that even I can help a soul to come out of this problem. I'll be fortunate. I feel that this is done something. I have done something. So I just chose this topic. I hope you all will like it. Dear diary, like every other day, today also passed. People say this city never witnesses night. Even if you go on the streets at midnight, it feels new. But my experience of 5 years tells a totally different story. For me, days are darker than nights. And isn't it obvious when one's soul becomes the darkest place, whereas the person will find light? They say it's all in the mind. I tried. I tried my level best not to feel so, but this feeling is tightened so hard around my neck that now I suffocate. I always think, why can't people choose to end up their lives all by their own? Why they have to think about family, society, and think about that society that even don't care about their existence? Isn't it ironical that in the crowd of thousands, I find myself totally alone? My situation is worsening day by day. I am forgetting things. This grief is swallowing me every day. It feels like my end is about to knock the door. Even if it doesn't, I'll open the door myself. No one's. Kyra. Who are you? How did you come inside? What do you want? Me? I am Radhika. And I came inside by pushing the door, which suddenly you left open. But who I am matters less. Tell me, who are you? What type of question is that? You're standing in my house and asking me who I am? First of all, answer my question, and then I'll answer yours. Fine. I'm Kyra Kapoor, a copywriter for a local news agency. Wait a minute. I asked you who are you and not what this world thinks of you. Listen, I'm not in the mood of playing. Stop making puzzles and tell me what you are here for. Okay, let me tell you who you really are. You are a living person with a dying soul. You are breathing but not living. Do you remember the last time you smiled genuinely? The last time you went on the streets just to have fun? The last time you cried in your mother's lap? The last time you were happy? No, you don't. So are you alive? I don't think so. Shut up. Do you even know what people like us go through? What it feels like when you are with your so-called own people and you feel lonely? Then, my dear, the beauty of this world feels temporary and love fragile. But this only sufferers like us understand. For you all, we are just another case of depression. And the thing is that no one cares. True. Indeed. I agree that we don't understand people like that. But it's different that light comes in everyone's life and not just yours. I agree that people from the crowd are not by your side. But it's different that you are with yourself forever. I agree that the beauty of this world is temporary. But it's you who makes it beautiful. And it's different that you're forgetting the beauty of yours. Then what according to you is happiness? Happiness? Happiness is the very spirit of soul. It's never half, it's always whole. Happiness is the beauty you see in art. Happiness always resides in heart. Happiness lies in blooming of flowers. It's the time that you spend with your loved ones forgetting the changing hours. Happiness is the only thing which is true. It's in everyone, whether me or you. Exactly 7 days from now, at the same time, we are about to take a step which you could never ever take back. It will be the end. And trust me, not every end is a new beginning. If you're asking me who I am, just ask yourself once, and you'll get your answer. Dadi? Radhika? That girl? Dadi named me Radhika. It is rightly said that God gives you ultimatums before you take a wrong decision. The situation that Kyra faced comes in every one of our lives. But at that time, we feel lonely. We feel that the world is about to end. At that time, we have two choices. Either to do what Kyra was about to do 7 days later, or to listen to our own Radhika. We have both the characters inside us. The choice is ours. And yes, listen. The beauty of your own soul makes your world beautiful. Thank you.
Guys, I'd want everyone to unmute themselves and turn on their videos. So, ma'am, please. I think first we should start with you. How is your reaction to this?
I mean, it was totally engrossing. I couldn't blink my eyes for a minute. Like, truly, Anushka. I really don't have words to express how natural it was, and it was not even acting. It was like you could feel it. You were just yourself when you were talking. I said, I'm thrilled. Like, seriously, it was wonderful, wonderful. According to me, I really loved it.
Thank you, Mom.
And
Absolutely.
I'll say the same thing. I mean, I literally, you won't believe, Anushka, I literally texted Romana, ma'am, on text that I'm getting goosebumps right now. I mean, there's a lot of elements. There's a storytelling and first, the choices of words, right? So I was also going through your draft at the same time. So people say the city never witnesses night. So uh, there was a lot of literary element in your draft, as well as the way that you are talking about a very crucial issue. Depression is something that we come across, and I think it was fantabulous. It was really, really well done. I think if
Everything.
I
I
think
think the choice of words, the choice of theme, ideas, presentation, everything. I mean, it was an amalgamation of all sorts of creative elements that are there. I think it was brilliant.
yeah,
Thank you, mom. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
we were touched. I mean, it doesn't matter what happens with the result. I think, ma'am, I think we are honored to have such children with us. I think.
Absolutely. We are
Very
connected with you guys. It's really awesome.
Well, okay. So, ma'am, let's move to the next one, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, I think the next one alphabetically going because we want to be fair and square. So, that is Arshia. Hi, Arshia. So, again, will be on going in mute and turning our videos off. Arshia, the stage is yours. Thank you.
Every person is an artist. No one should be a failure in our heart. Let's mix the color of our talent and make our life a beautiful art. With these words today, I, Arshianjam, grade 9, wishing you all a very well, delighting and warm good afternoon in this cool winter right now. Well, I'm here to enact my most favorite character, which is Greg Heffley. Well, Greg Heffley is a cool and amusing 11-year-old character taken from Diary of a Wimpy Kid, written by Jeff King. And it's one of my most favorite books. His life is full of weird people all around. He's a bit lazy, a bit dishonest, a bit crazy, and also want to attain a great fame on his schools. But I love him. So here I'm Greg Heffley enacting. Hi, I'm Greg Heffley, the one who is surrounded by weird people all around. First of all, let me get you something very straight. It's a journal, not a diary. I know what it says on cover, but it was my mom's idea, not mine. If she thinks that I'm going to jot down my feelings here or whatever, she's crazy. Because just don't expect me to be like Dear Diary this or Dear Diary that. Never. Well, lazy, crazy, mischievous child with a journal on my hand, welcome to my weird life. Welcome to Gregory's land. Tired with the bunch of morons, tired with my seat. Safe from the cheaters right now and happy to be. Let me tell you something. If you have an elder sibling, try to exclude lots and lots of profit. You know how? Roderick is my elder brother, and I play the same trick on Role, my best friend, which he plays on me. Last Saturday, I played the same trick with Roderick did. I asked Role, do you know if your hands are bigger than your face, it's a sign of low intelligence? He tried so. Well, now, saddest part of my life. I know I don't seem to be very sad, but it's the saddest part of my life. That I was never able to play tricks on Manny. Reason? Reason was mom and dad used to protect Manny like he's a prince or something. But once I tried so. What I did, I found a tiny black ball of thread and I asked Manny, here it's a spider. Do you want to taste? And I pretended like I was going to make him eat. Right when I was going to leave him, he just slapped on my hand and that thread fell off. And then guess what? That fool swallowed it. Well, then he gone completely mad and ran after mom and said, Mommy, Bobby made me eat a spider. Well, I knew something was going to be wrong. I tried to convince her. Mom quietly brought a plate. She brought a seed, a raisin, and a grape on a plate. And she asked Manny, point out to the thing which is closest in size of the thread. I know something was really going to be wrong. He went to the refrigerator and bought an orange. And then guess what? My beautiful New Year's evening just spoiled so easily. One more thing. My mom and dad used to read out the same stupid storybook for Manny every day before hitting the head. Silly bear yawning, silly bear sad. Silly bear sleeping, silly bear glad. Let me tell you, writers who write these books are really have a racket going. Amazing. Well, now my dad. I always wanted to tell someone about my dad. My dad is a pretty smart guy in general, pretty smart guy. But I don't want to say, when it comes to common sense, I wonder about him. And what about my mom? She's just amazing. Oof, I cannot forget that worst day when she started an awful band with Roderick. And let me tell you, it's so awful that I can't stand being home alone. And what about my classmates? My classmates, the girls of my class are very intellective. They're scientists, I must say. I think they should also get a Nobel Prize. They want to build a robot which will have 10 lip glosses on its fingertips. So this is a weird life with ups and downs and fronts and backs. And for me, ignoring my mom's thought is a hard nut to crack. Solving the challenges of weirdness without any clue. It's crazy, funny, Bubby's life. Hope that's not me. Thank you.
I think the way you have written it, the draft was really very creative. I mean, I really liked it, and Jeff is my favorite character as well. Yeah, so yeah, very well written. Actually, I mean, the performance, if you have engaged or used some props or something, it might have got a little better. But I think the writing was flawless. बहुत ही creative था और आपने बहुत अच्छा research किया है character पे, it seems. बहुत अच्छा रिसर्च है एज इन यू हैव एक्चुअली अंडरस्टूड व्हाट ही वांट्स जिस तरह से वो बोलता है ग्रेग बिल्कुल वैसा ही आपका लैंग्वेज आपका जो एटीट्यूड था और हर वक्त ही कीप्स ऑन नैगिंग अबाउट हिज मॉम कि मम्मा ऐसे करती हैं वैसे करती हैं सो ट्रूली बहुत राइटिंग आपकी बहुत अच्छी थी सीरियसली एंड आई हैव सीन यू इम्प्रूव गुड वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा
Thank you so much.
So totally, I agree with ma'am here that it's really good that you can amalgamate yourself, you can enact, because I think when we are really able to connect to these plays, a lot of things we get to learn about ourselves, about our own life. So really well done, Arsha. I mean, it looks very good, right? So I mean, I'm speechless about all of these performances. Arsha, really well done, and I really think that you people have a real future in these. I mean, the way these performances are coming up, I mean, I think we will get one or two autographs for sure, ma'am, in future from them.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, sir.
I believe that, sir, truly.
Okay.
टैलेंट है इन बच्चों में हम एक्चुअली
बिल्कुल.
वी नेवर गेट टू विटनेस इट
No, we never get to witness it. I mean, we need to do this more often, I think.
एब्सोल्युटली
Okay. Ma'am, I think Nivedita has also joined us. So because of her school, she was late. I think Nivedita, hi there. So Nivedita, I will just brief you about what we are going to do is one by one, we are calling all performances, and for every performer, what we are doing is we are giving you some time to introduce yourself and talk about the script, what you are actually going to do, and then you have a time period of 5 to 6 minutes where you can perform what you want to, right? And we are going alphabetically. So, ma'am, I think let's invite the next person on the stage. So, Malik, all the best. And I think we are expecting a lot from Maulik ma'am because हमारे क्लासेस में तो मतलब ये तहलका मचा के रखता है. So Maulik, the stage is yours, beta. All the best, and let's see.
A very good afternoon to all. So my name is Maulik Singh Bist from class 10th. I live in Uttarakhand, Pithoragarh, and so I'm going to perform on a like it's a. I think it has happened in all of our life, like when we curse our teachers to give us homework. So this is like one small comedy act based on the interaction between the kid and the teacher. So please enjoy it. This is not intended to hurt someone. So take it as entertainment purpose.
सही है बेटा. और हर छुट्टी से पहले एक बच्चा आता है स्कूल में होमवर्क लेने के लिए, बाकी सब कहीं फिर रहे होते हैं. हाँ सर, अब क्या करें, ऐसा ही है. अब सबको तो होमवर्क से बचना है. मैं भी घर पे ही होता अगर मम्मी ना भेजती तो मुझे. खाली बहाने हैं ये सब. वो कल 10 बच्चे वहां पे रोड में गलत शक्लें बना के टिकटॉक बना रहे थे. 5 बाकी के 5 से लड़ रहे थे. और 10 क्या सर, 10 क्या, और 10 मुझसे ट्यूशन पढ़ने आए थे. ओ अब चलो जो भी है, होमवर्क तो लिखना ही है, तुम लिख लो, बाकियों को मैं ग्रुप में डाल दूँ, ठीक है? हाँ तो पहला लिखो मैथ्स का होमवर्क। मैथ्स में चैप्टर 1, चैप्टर 3, चैप्टर 5, चैप्टर 7 सॉल्व करके लेके जाना। ठीक है सर। मैथ्स का दूसरा होमवर्क, मैथ्स का चैप्टर 2, चैप्टर 4, चैप्टर 6, चैप्टर 8 दो बार सॉल्व करके लाने हैं। क्या बोल रहे हो सर? अब इंग्लिश का होमवर्क, इंग्लिश में जो अपनी हिंदी टेक्स्ट बुक है उसको इंग्लिश में सॉल्व करके लाना है। इंग्लिश में सॉल्व क्या? समझ आ रहा है तुम्हें? ठीक है। अब एसएसटी की बात, एसएसटी में दिल्ली जाकर रेड फोर्ट की ब्रिक्स गिन कर लानी है। रेड फोर्ट की ब्रिक्स हैं? हाँ, रेड फोर्ट की ब्रिक्स, ठीक है। और साइंस का होमवर्क, साइंस में इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन जाके वहां से सोलर पैनल उड़ा के लाना, ठीक है? ये कैसे हो सकता है? क्या है ना, मेरा बिजली का बिल बहुत आता है, इसलिए उसको लेकर आना है, उससे मैं अपनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लूंगा, ठीक है। अब लास्ट में हिंदी का होगा, हिंदी में ज्यादा नहीं, हिंदी में सिर्फ एक ऐसे लिखना, ठीक है, ऐसे। थैंक गॉड, सिर्फ 2000 शब्दों का लिखना है। टॉपिक होगा मेरे प्यारे शिक्षक। मेरे प्यारे शिक्षक, और मेरे पर ही लिखना, वरना मार्क्स नहीं मिलते, ठीक है बेटा। और कुछ तो भूल नहीं रहा हूं मैं? नहीं सर, नहीं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा। हाँ, एक और बात, एंजॉय योर हॉलीडेज।
I was laughing all throughout. और स्पेशली जब कहा ना मेरे पे ही लिखना, मेरे प्यारे शिक्षक, वाओ, like really Maulik, I never knew you have this side in you, so humorous, so funny, और it was really engaging throughout. बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत हंसी आई, और इतना मतलब यही हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि ऐसा कुछ मजेदार, एंड आई मीन it was really
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So I told you, right? We were expecting a lot. I mean, class में sarcasm के महाशय है ये. He will keep on passing such comments which will be full of sarcasm. So, Maulik, I want you to, अगर कोई scene याद है तो please, class का कोई scene याद है तो please share it with us. Something with your sarcasm in it.
Like once in biology class, sir told us that when we are like embryo, so we eat our mother like from inside. So I said to sir that if I will tell my mother, then she will do something like crazy. So he said to me that once ask your mother, then we will see what her reaction will be. So I asked her, and she said, "अभी कौन सा जो नहीं खाते हो बाहर आके."
Oh my God! So this was really good. This was wow, great.
शायद अभी आपको ये रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा है, बट ये जो चीजें होती है ना, सार्कास्टिक, सार्काज्म, फन, और अगर आप में ये ट्रेट है मौलिक, आई थिंक यू विल गो अ लॉन्ग वे इन योर लाइफ। सीरियसली, लाइफ में इन चीजों की बहुत जरूरत पड़ती है हमें,
Thank you,
स्पेशली
ma'am. My pleasure.
सीरियस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। सो इसको आप पॉलिश कीजिए, कभी खत्म मत होने दीजिए अपने आप से। ये बहुत यूनिक क्वालिटी है, स्पेशल, जो आप गॉड ने आपको गिफ्ट करी है। आई थिंक हर किसी के अंदर इतना टाइमिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। मुझे आपकी टाइमिंग इतनी अच्छी लगी, क्योंकि यूजुअली अकेले परफॉर्म करना इज कभी कभी बहुत बोरिंग हो जाता है। यू एक्सपेक्ट अनदर पर्सन टू बी इन रिंग, और वो पॉज, देन यू आर शिफ्टिंग पोजिशंस, तो स्विचिंग कैरेक्टर्स, तब वो बिल्कुल भी बोरिंग मोनोटोनस नहीं था। बहुत मजा आ रहा था, और इतना प्रॉम्प्ट था, स्पॉन्टेनियस था कि आप क्विक कर, ओ भी बोलना है तो आप बैठ रहे हैं, ओ सर, ओके। तो दैट वाज लाइक रियली बहुत अच्छे से आपने प्लान किया इसे, बहुत क्राफ्ट बहुत अच्छा था।
Thank you, ma'am.
Truly.
And I would say the same, Maulik. Yeah, I was expecting this. I will be very honest. I was expecting something this fun from you, but I also thought कि शायद you will bring Kratos into it. But again, we enjoyed a lot, and दिस इज अ टैलेंट बेटा, मतलब नर्चर इट, मतलब आगे जाके बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं, बट इसको दबने मत देना. Never let anything, suppress this amazing talent of yours. Nurture it, beta. Nurture it.
Yes, sir.
So, ma'am, let's invite the next one, please, ma'am.
Who do we have? Nivedita, maybe? Yeah.
Yeah, I
And
think yeah, Nivedita. So I think Nivedita, beta, aap ho abhi in the participant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Nivedita, as I already said, beta, first you'll introduce yourself and what your play is all about, and then you'll continue to enact your play. We already have your script with us, so we have already gone through that. But right now, we just want you to introduce a little bit about yourself and then continue. All the best.
I am Nivedita Das from class 10A from Paschim Midnapur, West Bengal. Now, this is the Christmas time and we all are waiting for our Christmas gift from us. Let us see what the thoughts and the cripplings of a small little 8-year-old are. It is Christmas time and Tina is eagerly waiting for her gift. Mother tries multiple ways to divert her mind and arrange her gift. Is she successful? Does Tina receive her present? Who gives the little one the expected visit? Now the name of our play is Expected Visit, Expected Gifts. Now you're thinking, if it is expected, then why is it guessed? We will get to see it in a moment. Now the characters are Mrs. Danny, who is a mother, Tina, who is her 8-year-old daughter, Mr. Dan, who is Tina's father, who lives in Somalia and gets stuck up there and can't return home due to the lockdown. There is Mrs. Rangi, who is Mrs. Dan's childhood friend, Raj, who is Mrs. Rani's boy, the gift man, and obviously the guest. The darkness of the night has whole sky. Tina is little bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride in one horse open sleigh. How suddenly a horse sound breaks the floor. How long will you give an ear to that song? Remember your grades? The clock is striking 10. Time to catch a few wings. Mom, just chill. It's Christmas. Santa Claus is coming, riding on his sleigh. Hey, oh, come on. You are an 8-year-old. Be a little wiser. But Papa used to say he was real. And in every Christmas holiday, I used to give the gifts. See, no more now. Now spread yourself on the bed and count the stars. You will fall asleep. Stars? But they are nowhere. Okay, but you see, by tomorrow's morning, I will receive my gift. I have kept the socks ready and the tree. No more now. Danny closes the door and leaves her alone. Tina is conversing with herself. Only Papa in this world. And she is so asleep. Uff, इस लड़की का मैं क्या करूं? Danny keeps on thinking for a long time and keeps on scratching her head. Idea. Suddenly, she gets an impression and asks her uncle. Hello, am I speaking to Uncle Usha? Merry Christmas to you, Dee. How is Tina doing? Well, she's fine, but same to you, but I need your help. Could you please dress up like Santa and arrange a gift for her? She is so confident about it, and I don't want to shatter her faith in him. Her father, as you know, is also stuck up in Somalia and he cannot return home. Oh, don't worry about that. Just relax. I will just quickly finish my work and be there in Santa's boat. It's my pleasure, not to worry. A zillion words will fall short in this time. Thanks. It's night time. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas to you all, small child. How is everything doing? Are you awake? Who? Santa? Yes, dear. Ho, 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 ho. Tell me one thing. Due to this lockdown, I had to visit everyone virtually. But not to worry. Tell me one thing. Are you attending all the classes and following the notes? Yes, Santa uncle, I am. But they are a little tiresome. Ho, 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 ho. Don't say so. Just take them with a pinch of salt and just relax, not as a burden, and you will be as fresh as a daisy. Remember one thing, take everything with a relaxed mind and embrace the uncertainty. Remember, some most beautiful chapters of your life don't have a title. Okay, now time for me to say my gift. Ho, 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 ho. Don't worry, you will get tomorrow's morning. Just relax, eat healthy, and stay safe. Bye bye. Knock, knock. The red dress lady is woken up from the deep slumber. Coming. Madam, here's your gift for your little ones. Oh, thank you. Wow, my gift. Give me the gift. Let me thank him. Hello, thanks a lot. I have no word to say to you. But one thing, how did you get into as all the doors and windows were closed? Uh, actually, I am sorry. My boss gave me some extra work and I had to stay there overnight. So I can't get to your house. Should I send? No, it's okay. Again, the phone rings. Hello, Mrs. Danny speaking. Hello, Merry Christmas to you here. Did you receive the gift? A tall, slender gift man gave us today morning, but no name was written there. We thought it was from you. Same to you, me too on the same boat, but it's same to me. Maybe someone else. Oh, Raj was also on the seventh heaven. Tina might also be. Oh, Tina. Well, I have to see her. Okay, goodbye. See, Mom, I told you. Santa gave the gift. We had a memorable time yesterday. Virtual. You spoke to Santa. Give me the mobile. Danny checks and cross-checks, and finally she finds that the mobile message flashes into the screen and it says the data has all been reset. I think I should take a little rest. Tina is grinning from ears to ears. Mrs. then opens the doors and gazes down the clouds are shaped like the Santa Claus man's face. Santa? She keeps on staring. Thank you.
First want to tell you कि I think आपने भी मेल तो देखा ही है that पहले this play was supposed to be done by both Nivedita and Tanya, but because some medical problem, Tanya could not join, so that is why Nivedita would had to rearrange it all on her own. So, ma'am, what would you like to say on that?
I think she actually completed it in a very nice way. जो चीजें अल्टीमेटली उससे से फॉलो अप नहीं हुई या किसी पार्टिसिपेंट की नहीं होने की वजह से आपने इसे फिर भी सक्सेसफुली किया, दैट्स रियली वर्थ द अप्रिसिएशन निवेदिता। और बहुत ही आई थिंक बहुत मेहनत थी, स्क्रिप्ट भी बहुत अच्छा था आपका। तो आई थिंक स्लाइटली आई थिंक हमारे वर्ड टाइम लिमिट से थोड़ा सा एक्सीडिंग था, राइट? बट आई थिंक शी इन्फॉर्म्ड अस अबाउट इट। तो आई थिंक काफी आपने जो थॉट प्रोसेस था सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था। कुछ चीजें थी जहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत इम्प्रोवाइजेशन कर सकते थे हम, बट अगेन आई थिंक you actually pulled it off like really well. Yeah.
And I would say the same thing, ma'am. Nivedita, it takes a really lot. मतलब we have had people who really backed off. I mean, they were like exams है नहीं कर पाएंगे, and we get that you people have a lot of priorities right now. But in that time, even when one of the participant that was supposed to be here, she backed out. Even then, you were successful. You successfully pulled it off, right? Rumana ma'am ने जैसे अभी कहा, you pulled it off, right? So that amount of courage is somewhere it's worth all appreciation that we can do, right? So this is really a great deal, beta. You did well. You folded the story in a nice way, right? And we wish you all the best for all these. Nurture it, beta. I say this to everyone. You are here, that means you have a talent and a passion for following that talent. So nurture it. I'm sure this will have its own reward in future, but right now nurture it.
Yeah. Who wrote that script, Nivedita? Did you write it on your own?
Yes, miss.
You wrote it. Very good. Very nicely written, I must say.
Wow. Wow. So ma'am, I think we should invite the next person here.
Yes.
So M was Malik, N is Nivedita, and then I think we have
Shamima is there, right?
Shamima.
Only Shamima is left, no?
Okay, so Shabima, you already know what needs to be done, right? So go ahead and you will first introduce yourself and your script or whatever you are going to perform, and then you'll go ahead with it. All the best, and let's see.
जैसे कि सब लोगों ने इंग्लिश में प्रिपेयर किया है, मैंने अकेले और आई थिंक मौलिक भैया ने भी हिंदी में प्रिपेयर किया। आई एम नॉट सो गुड एट इंग्लिश, तो मैं हिंदी में ही देने जा रही हूँ और मुझे डर लग रहा है, लेकिन क्योंकि मेरी स्टोरी ही डर पे आधारित है, इसीलिए मैं डर पे कदम रख के आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करूँ। तो मैं स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगी। पहले मैं अपनी फीलिंग्स बताना चाहूँगी कि मुझे कैसा लग रहा था इस प्रोग्राम से पहले। बड़ी मुश्किल हालातों में आके लिख रही थी मैं, न जाने किसने क्या प्रिपेयर किया होगा, यही सोचकर घबराहट हो रही थी। पता है, जी चाहता है कुछ अलग करे, कुछ सबसे हटके, पर उन्हें एक्सप्रेस करना भी काश खुदा हमें सिखा दे। सोचती हूँ कुछ खास करूँगी, मौका मिलती है, पर जनाब ये भी तो सुन रखा है ना, अपॉर्चुनिटीज चल के नहीं आया करती। और ये क्या, एक मिल गई तो खुदाया आइडियाज कुछ खास आ ही नहीं रही थी। सबके मस्त मस्त प्लान से परेशान मैं एक ना एक बार सबको मैसेज तो दे ही दिया होगा किसी छोटी सी आइडिया के तक। जवाब कुछ खास नहीं आए, बट दैट्स ओके। शायद किस्मत को कुछ और ही मंजूर था कि क्यों ना अपने ही कुछ टैलेंट्स को मिला के कुछ प्रिपेयर कर दे या प्रेजेंट कर दे। Myself, Shalma Afroz, 9th standard from JNV Dhubri, going to play a small role of Olaf from the Frozen movie and in my own edited version. Queen Iduna and King Egnar, जो कि है ये दोनों persons, these are all my own drawings. इन दोनों की बच्चियां प्रिंसेस एल्सा और प्रिंसेस आना, मेनली इन दोनों पे ये पूरी कहानी आधारित। तो मैं अपनी कहानी शुरू करना चाहूंगी। दो बहनों की कहानी है मुझे आपको सुनानी। एक थी जादुओं से भरी और दूसरी बड़बड़ी। दोनों को एक स्नोमैन यानी ओलाफ, जो कि मैं हूँ, उससे मोहब्बत पड़ी। चलिए, एल्सा की गलती से बर्फीली छड़ी आना गिर पड़ी। दरअसल वो डर से घिरी हुई थी, जो कि है एल्सा। वो डर से पूरी तरह घिरी हुई थी। बचपन से ही उसके पास कुछ आइसी मैजिकल पावर्स थी। एक्चुअली वो स्नो और आइस को कंट्रोल कर सकती, लेकिन वो बचपन में ही अपनी बहन पर एक गलती से अटैक हो गया था उसका। तब से वो उस बात से पूरी तरह डरती रहती। उसे लगता था कि वो शायद किसी सबको हर्ट करेगी, शायद वो दूसरों से अलग रहे, यही उसके लिए अच्छा होगा। शायद उसे पता नहीं था कि क्या है ये, और वो हमेशा डरती रहती थी। और जब उसने गलती से आना पर अटैक कर दिया, तब से वो पूरी तरह अलग होने लगी। दो बहनों की कहानी है मुझे आपको सुनानी। एक थी जादुओं से भरी और दूसरी बड़ी। दोनों को स्नोमैन से मोहब्बत पड़ी। चली एल्सा की बर्फीली छड़ी, आना गिर पड़ी। मामा पापा बचाओ। धड़ाम, एल्सा हुई सबसे दूर, बहनें बिछड़ने पे मजबूर। शुक्र है माँ पापा थे साथ, लेकिन एक दिन उनका भी हो गया देहांत। एल्सा के कोरोनेशन डे के दिन आना एक प्रिंस से मिली, जिससे उसकी पहली नजर में ही प्यार हो गया। वो आके एल्सा से बोलने लगी, हाय मैं हूँ आना, मैं हांस से शादी करने चली। जिसे सुन के एल्सा हो गई आग बबूला। डर ने कर रखा था एल्सा पे भारी भरकम कब्जा। ये निकला बर्फ का शोला, और एल्सा की जादू से मैं यानी ओलाफ जिंदा हो गई। पहले तो मैं स्नोमैन थी, लेकिन फिर मैं जिंदा हो गई। आना हुई घोड़े पे सवार, ढूंढने बहन को उत्तरी पहाड़। मैं हूँ बर्फ की रानी, यहाँ पे रहूंगी अकेले, एल्सा बोली। चले जाओ आना। डिशुम डिशुम, एल्सा ने कर दी बड़ी गलती। आना तो मेरा दिल बोल के गिर गई। कंकड़ू बोला आना से, सिर्फ एक सच्चा प्यार का छोटा सा इजहार ही तुम्हें बचा सकता है जम जाने से। उसके दिल पे अटैक हुआ। मैं हूँ हांस। जब वो हांस के पास गई तब ये घटना हुई कि हांस बोला, मैं हूँ हांस, तुम्हारा सच्चा प्यार। लेकिन कुछ गड़बड़ तो होनी ही थी। हांस हीरो नहीं, वो एक विलन था। उसने ना सिर्फ आना को दिया धोखा, बल्कि एल्सा को भी पूरी तरह मारने का प्लान किया, यानी रास्ते से हटा के एरेंडेल राज्य के प्रिंस किंग सब कुछ बनने की उसने ठान ली। लेकिन एल्सा और आना के बीच जो प्यार था, वो एकदम बहनों का सच्चा वाला रिश्ता था। तो आना ने एल्सा को बचाते बचाते अपनी जान गंवाने की सोच दी, और वो बचाते बचाते एक बर्फ का पुतला बन गया, क्योंकि उसके दिल पहले ही जम चुके। तो सब बिल्कुल सैड हो गए। ठीक है, एरेंडेल राज्य पूरी तरह ठीक हो गया, यानी किसी प्रॉब्लम्स में नहीं था, वो सब प्रॉब्लम से दूर हो गया। लेकिन उन्होंने सोचा कि उन्होंने अपनी बहन को खो दिया, आना को। लेकिन एल्सा का जो सच्चा प्यार था, बहन का प्यार, उसने आना को बचा लिया। और एल्सा ने बर्फ को पूरी और आबाद एरेंडेल फिर से जय जयकार करने लगा। और इसी के साथ इस कहानी का मोरल मैं बस यही बताना चाह रही थी कि डर किसी समस्या का हल नहीं। मत डरो किसी भी हालात से। याद रखो, जब तुम डर पे कदम रखते हो और आगे बढ़ने की एक छोटी सी जरूरत करते हो, तभी जीत की छोटी सी रोशनी या पूरी रोशनी तुम्हें दिखाई। जा रहे हो तुम किसी अंधेरे रास्ते से, तो डरना नहीं, बस एक बात याद में रख लेना, सुबह की जो चमकती रोशनी होती है ना, उसकी आगाज एक सुनसान अंधेरे रात के बाद ही निकलती है। डरो नहीं, जम के लड़ाई करो, मुकाबला करो सबसे। बस हार और जीत की फिक्र मत करो, तुम उसे इस खुदा पे छोड़ दो, वो पक्का तुम्हारे लिए कुछ अच्छा डिसाइड करके रखेगा। मत सोचो कि तुम लायक नहीं हो उसके, खुदा जानता है अच्छे से तुम किसके लायक हो। तुम बस खुदा पे भरोसा रखो और मुकाबला करते रहो, डरो नहीं। गिर के चोट लग जाए ना कभी अगर, तो 2 बूंद आंसू गिरा दो और उसे पीछे छोड़ दो, लेकिन बस डरना नहीं, बस डरना नहीं। At the last, I would like to thank all of the respected audiences for offering me a golden chance to place my performance in front of you with a great gratitude. Thank you.
Points, please.
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं शमीमा जो मैं आपसे कहना चाहूंगी। सबसे पहले तो एक बहुत यूनिक चीज जो मुझे मौलिक और आपके परफॉर्मेंस दोनों में दिखी, वो ये है दैट बोथ ऑफ यू never tried or didn't try anywhere anytime in the during the performances to fit in someone else's shoes. मतलब आपका जो परफॉर्मेंस था, आपके अपनी लैंग्वेज में, अपने स्टाइल में, आपने बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा कि हमें बिल्कुल इंग्लिश बोलनी है, या जैसा कि हमने अलाउ भी किया था, लाइक दैट वाज टोटली परमिसिबल या तो। लेकिन जैसे मैं कुछ चीजें जो मैंने नोटिस की, वो है आपके बीच बीच में उर्दू के वर्ड्स यूज करना। जैसे आपने बोला जुर्रत, आगाज, मुकाबला, ये सारे वर्ड्स, तो यू वर लाइक ट्रू टू योर ट्रू नेचर, ट्रू सेल्फ, वो भी अच्छा था। और उसके अलावा एक दो चीजें, हाँ आपने ड्राइंग, वो मैं कैसे भूल सकती हूँ, आपकी ड्राइंग्स, हैव यू ड्रॉन देम? मतलब मैं और सर एक्चुअली ये चीज तो देखिए ये कितनी अमेजिंग, आपने खुद से ड्रॉ किया सब कुछ शमीमा? या
यस मैम, वो सब मेरी ड्राइंग से है।
ओके, बहुत अमेजिंग, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल। आई वुड लाइक टू सी देम। अगर आप हमारे साथ वो शेयर कर पाए तो हम देखना चाहेंगे वो, और ज्यादा क्लियरली और ज्यादा नजदीक से। बहुत खूबसूरत थी, और जिससे स्टोरी आपने अपनी, आप पूरी तरह से आपने क्राफ्ट करी और लिखा और उसे एग्जीक्यूट किया, बहुत बेहतरीन। और साथ साथ आपकी कुछ पोएटिक डिवाइसेस भी आपने यूज किए थे, ओनोमेटोपोइया, जो आप बीच बीच में वर्ड्स निकाल रही थी, उसको इनैक्ट कर रही थी, बोल रही थी और परफॉर्म कर रही थी, आप उस कैरेक्टर में चली जा रही थी। और मुझे ये सब बहुत, आपका बहुत हार्ड वर्क बहुत विजिबल था, बहुत एविडेंट था
थैंक यू
मुझे,
सो मच मैम।
कि आपने बहुत एफर्ट पुट इन किया है इस प्ले के लिए। आई लव्ड इट, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
थैंक यू मैम।
Well, ma'am, I would totally second your opinion. I'll totally agree. Shamiman, I think you started with Urdu, and Urdu is a beautiful language. Matlab, I'll be very honest. There are many open mic poets that I follow on Insta, and Yahya Butwala is one of them. So Urdu has its own beauty. I mean, the moment you started with Urdu, that was like ki, okay, so that set the stage. उसने स्टेज वहीं पे बना दिया, एंड I'll be honest, I had goosebumps that okay, I'm going to listen something really good. Now second thing, I think this is a very beautiful amalgamation. जैसे आपने कहा कि you are very good in English, but you are bringing a tale from the Frozen, जो कि एक English movie है. एंड मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, did you watch it in English और हिंदी? आपने देखा किस में है मूवी को?
फर्स्ट में इंग्लिश में रिलीज हुआ था तो मैंने इंग्लिश में ही देखा, बाद में जब हिंदी में रिलीज हुआ तो हिंदी में।
Okay, so I did that with Harry Potter because that's my favorite movie. So, आपने see, that is the thing. What I think this is for all of us. This gives a message कि doesn't matter if you don't know something. अगर आप किसी चीज में कमजोर हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You are trying something, right? And then you are absorbing that amazing story. I love Frozen movie, by the way. And उस स्टोरी को अब्सॉर्ब करके उसके एलिमेंट्स को इस तरह से प्रेजेंट करना, इट्स रियली गुड. एंड वो बीच में आई थिंक मैम वो जो राइमिंग्स हो रहे थे, that really brought that effect. So again, I'll say all of you here, शमीमा, आप में भी बहुत अच्छा टैलेंट है. यू मस्ट नर्चर इट. आई मीन,
थैंक यू
अगर
सर।
10th ग्रेड में मैम ये इस लेवल का कर पा रहे हैं, तो आई कैन ओनली इमेजिन कि आगे क्या होगा.
बिल्कुल इसे फेड मत होने दीजिए। हमारी एज अ टीचर बस यही एक्सपीरियंस है कि हमारे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ लाइफ में कई बार। आई थिंक सर भी इससे एग्री करेंगे कि बहुत सारी चीजें थी जो हमें करनी होती थी लाइफ में, और हम सोचते थे कि अच्छा ठीक है चलो बाद में फिर कभी स्टार्ट करेंगे, और ब्लॉग क्रिएट करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, और वो एक्चुअली राइट टाइम कभी नहीं आता है। ओके, सो अगर आपको पता है कि आपके अंदर ये टैलेंट है, आप इतना ब्यूटीफुल ड्रॉ करती हैं, मेक अ कलेक्शन ऑफ इट, पब्लिश इट, like really archive it. Okay, तो इसे कभी फेड नहीं होने दीजिए। मैं सभी बच्चों के लिए, सिर्फ शमीमा को नहीं, सबको कहूंगी आपके अंदर बहुत यूनिक टैलेंट्स है, और जो सिर्फ आपके हैं उसे प्लीज नर्चर कीजिए, जैसा सर कह रहे हैं आपको, प्लीज।
So guys, I would request all of you to switch on your videos and microphones. Sushant won't be joining us, and Tanya is not very well, so I think he won't be joining us as well.
तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को कैसा लगा परफॉर्मेंस? कुछ फीडबैक, क्योंकि पहली बार हम ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे से, तो सब मुझे बताएंगे आपका फेवरेट कौन था। शमीमा बताएंगे अपना, फिर अर्शिया, एवरीबॉडी, लाइक विल गो लाइक दैट, जैसे अल्फाबेटिकली चलते हैं। कैसे, विल दैट बी अ गुड आइडिया? आपको आपके अकॉर्डिंग बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस क्या था, सबसे ज्यादा एंजॉय किसमें किया आपने? अनुष्का, आर यू देयर? इफ यू आर देयर प्लीज।
Anushka, beta, आप भी अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लो. Yeah, so this looks like a team now. This looks like a team.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी. शमीमा बेटा, आपका चला गया वीडियो, आई गेस. ठीक है. So guys, we want to know कि आप लोगों में से आपका फेवरेट कौन था. So starting with शमीमा, please बता आपका फेवरेट कौन था. Okay, it looks like कि मेरा इंटरनेट गड़बड़ हुआ है.
ठीक है, ओके शमीमा, लास्ट से फिर सेकंड लास्ट निवेदिता थी, राइट?
जी, यस मैम.
निवेदिता, आप बताइए। ऑफ कोर्स अपना तो सबको अच्छा लगा।
का बहुत अच्छा
You said Shamima, right?
Yes.
Okay. Maulik?
मैम मुझे भी सबका अच्छा लगा। वैसे मैं सबको एक फीडबैक देना चाहूँगा कि जैसे कि अनुष्का ने स्टार्ट किया डायरी, अपनी डायरी राइटिंग से, तो वो बहुत अच्छा स्टेप था। जैसे कि फिर उसको इनिशिएट करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा स्टेप था, स्टोरी इनिशिएट करने के लिए। अर्शिया ने अपने कैरेक्टर पर बहुत अच्छा रिसर्च किया था। उन्होंने उसके साथ अपना सब सब्जेक्ट अपने साथ रखा था उसका। निवेदिता ने भी अपने साथ जैसे प्रॉप्स थे वो सब अपने साथ रखे थे। उसने अपना कैप भी पहनी है और सेंटा की ड्रेस भी पहनी है, तो उसका भी बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट था। शमीमा का, लाइक आई हैव सीन द फ्रोजन मूवी एंड शी हैज़ मेड जस्ट लाइक द एनिमेशंस। जैसे एनिमेशंस होते हैं सेम वैसी ड्राइंग्स बनाई हैं, तो दैट्स रियली अप्रिशिएटेड। And my favorite one was of Shamima, as because of her drawing, and like as sir said that Urdu is a very beautiful language. I also like Urdu, so I would say that Shamima was favorite for me.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Maulik. But look, guys, this is what we want actually. We don't want you people to compete. We want you people to work together. मतलब मजा आता है जब आप लोग एक दूसरे को compliment कर रहे हो, right? This is what exactly we want. We want this. हमें ये चाहिए. I think then I think I will turn to Arshia. Beta Arshia, who was your favorite?
Sir, to be very honest, I think everyone was my favorite, really, because everyone has their own creative ideas. And if I talk about Anushka, so she was like, she motivated us a lot. And I really fall in love with Shamima's drawing, and everyone was best. I will not choose anyone. I cannot do this. I'm confused.
Okay, Anushka, what about you? Which one did you like?
So actually, the same thing. Everyone was very different from one another, and they were best in their genre. And everyone was like picture perfect. Everything, the words they said, the acting, everything was perfect. I personally enjoyed every performance, and if I'll tell that which one will be the best, it will be partiality, sir. So everyone was awesome. So I enjoyed it. Thank you, sir, for this.
Definitely. So I think, ma'am, this is one of its kind. I think जो last event हमारा हुआ था, that left us equally odd. And again, this is next level. I mean, uh, uh,
This is going to be a very difficult decision for us to choose one winner out of all these wonderful, जो सब एक दूसरे से इतने अलग, इतने यूनिक, और किसी में कुछ है तो किसी में कुछ है। ऐसा था कि एक कुछ कह पाना। अनुष्का, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने कि बड़ा मुश्किल है ये डिसीजन हमारे लिए, खास तौर पर क्योंकि सबने बहुत मेहनत करी। आपका मेहनत, एफर्ट और टैलेंट सब मिलकर यहाँ पे आ रहा था। और आई थिंक हम फ्यूचर में भी ऐसा कुछ लेकर आएंगे। थोड़ा अभी आपकी पढ़ाई और ईज आउट हो जाए, थोड़ा आपका जो बोर्ड्स है, एग्जाम्स है और ये सब कंप्लीट हो जाए, तो फिर विल ब्रिंग समथिंग लाइक दिस इवन मोर,
yeah,
राइट?
I think we should regularize this at least once a month. तो हम करेंगे ऐसा कुछ. So, guys, me and Rumana ma'am will both sit back again and will review each of these and will come up out with the result on 25th. But again, like ma'am ने जैसे कहा, all of you were best. There's actually, man, all of you are winners, all of you. So we'll come out with, but हमें obviously we have to tell one of the one, एक को तो best कहना ही है, right? So we'll come out with the results on 25th. That is the day of Christmas. 25th ko the entire performance of all of you would be released on our YouTube, as well as the name of the winner will also be announced there itself and on your mails as well. You'll receive mails from that same ID, learning@gradeup.co. तो वहाँ पे will tell you about. वैसे तो in our eyes, I think, ma'am, all of them are gems, and we want, irrespective of whatever the result is, we want all of you to nourish your talent that you have. That is amazing, right? So on that note, ma'am, I think yeah.
We'll take leave as of now. फिर मिलते हैं हम hopefully.
Yeah. So we'll meet with all of you in our classes. Thank you so much for joining us. And believe me, you people have inspired even us. You people have inspired even us that ye karna hai hame bhi, right? So guys, we'll take our leave, but all the best. Merry Christmas, Niveda. Merry Christmas. Thank you for bringing the Christmas act, because I mean,
बिल्कुल feel आ गई फिर है ना Christmas season की.
feel आ गई पूरी. Yeah. So goodbye, guys. Do well, and we'll meet you soon. Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Merry Christmas and Happy
Thank
New
you,
Year.
sir. Thank you, ma'am. Merry Christmas to you too.